Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, battery, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, left hinge cover, left display panel hinge, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the webcam board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam board. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.